What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Honor X9a smartphone that comes with 16 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps. For pictures we got the front flash and the portrait mode, that is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect, and it also comes with some stickers that you can apply on your front facing camera images, and it also comes with the multi-video mode that captures the video from the front camera and the rear camera at the very same time to give some nice perspective. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use the front facing camera of Honor X9a, then how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. So thanks for watching this video friends. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification, because many more videos of Honor X9a are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.